The Buucup Matcha Whisk Set Mint stands out with a serene, cherry blossom-inspired design and a soft mint glaze that makes the bowl as decorative as it is practical on the counter. This 7-piece kit gathers all the traditional tools you need in one box, including a ceramic chawan, bamboo whisk and scoop, sifter, dedicated rests, and a coordinating tea towel for a complete at-home tea ritual. The matcha bowl has a smooth, fully glazed interior that resists staining, pours cleanly from the gently waved rim, and wipes out easily after use. The handcrafted bamboo whisk, with its many fine tines, quickly whips matcha into a thick, stable foam that feels silky rather than gritty. Thoughtful touches like the whisk holder and scoop rest help the tools dry properly, keep the bamboo from deforming, and make the set feel tidy and organized between uses. With its blend of traditional ceremony pieces and modern pastel styling, this set works equally well as a daily matcha companion and as a thoughtful gift for someone just starting their matcha journey.